Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one, just tap on it. And now we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. As you can see right here, we've got the video quality, so let's tap on it. And after tapping, we will have this additional panel. We've got 4 different resolutions from which we can choose. We've got the FHD, which is currently applied because it is highlighted. We've got also HD, VGA and CIF. It's up to you which option you'd like to use, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. And basically, after tapping on it, since it is highlighted, it means that your device will apply it, and from now on will record the videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.